What did she do to you?
She scratched me. Look.
Yeah, you scratched yourself with my nail because you grabbed my finger.
No, you're the one who's sticking your fingers in my arm.
Look, you're not paying attention to me.
Look, that's your fault.
Ow. Look, this is the shirt that Carlos sent to buy.
So Grandma Anna came over from Houston and visited for the day, and pretty much we just chilled out inside talking, catching up. She came out to the pool and we hung out. It was pretty cool. Just hung out for the day. So you sent off the application for the scholarship? Good.
Alright, so I got Madden 21, set up my characters for the yard, and you know my nickname is Silos, PlayStation name is like Carlos 11.
Getting ready to go for our little walk hike. It is Monday.
What? Oh, now you're taking photos?
So this is my buddy Jaime, aka Tense. He picked me up to go check out a deer lease where I'll be hunting this year. You guys will see more of that later on. But that's what we're doing here, fixing a fence at the deer lease. Sexy dog right there.
What's up, dog?
Just finish up this fence right here. So my wife is teaching over there, and this is kind of the new norm, this virtual learning stuff.
Not fulfilling their said jobs. The student editor outside legal advice regarding proposed content should seek attorneys knowledgeable in media such as those from Student Press Law Center. Final content decisions.
Crazy.
It's fifth period, it's sixth period. Just finished my football class and time for lunch, so we're going out to get lunch real quick.
Where's Julia?
We out here getting the Monday afternoon workout. So it's Tuesday. Let's see what today has in store and stuff like that. Hopefully the day goes by quick. Alright, catch you guys in a bit. So I'm headed out to the range, the gun range. Apparently there's some snakes out there this weekend. So I'm gonna go out here with Cactus and see if we can see anything out here. So stay tuned.
Working hard for the money. Hard for the money.
No snakes?
Nope. Already looked at them.
Nothing.
No.
So we looked everywhere, all over the gun range, and not today. We didn't find any snakes, but you know, maybe next time. Right here, I'm shocking the pool. I do all my chemicals and cleaning of the pool. So if you guys have any questions about that stuff, ask down below and I can maybe answer them for you. That's what I'm doing here.
We're fixing the fence out here at the deer lease. Just make sure it's secured.
So right here, we're just touring around the deer lease. Good thing he had a 4x4 and it's a farm truck because it was way overgrown. I will definitely not be going through some of these areas, maybe walking them, but not driving. But just preparing stuff for deer season. We just got back from a bike ride. We broke 10 miles under an hour, which is good, but we did get caught by the rain, which stunk a little bit, but it was a good ride.
And find out what he wants me to do, because he already stepped off the unit.
Okay. All right then. I just talked to the nurse, bro. I don't think he's gonna get out because they're waiting to see if he's gonna need another blood transfusion.
Oh, God. Another one.
My dad is currently in the hospital getting a blood transfusion, and we're supposed to leave today, this afternoon, to San Antonio for an evaluation on a liver transplant. So I'm waiting to see what he says, or the doctors say at the hospital, so we can get going. But I don't think it's going to happen, but we'll see.
Stop.
You couldn't hang today while we were bike riding, huh?
Stop.
You were so far behind? Is that what I heard? Is that what I heard? Oh. My dad's appointment got canceled today. He's still in the hospital getting a blood transfusion, so that kind of sucks. But his liver transplant evaluation appointment in San Antonio got canceled until next month. So that's another month that we have to wait because there's only 2 doctors that take the veterans insurance. So that's why I'm here. We should be on the road, me, my brother, and him, to San Antonio, but they canceled. So different note. I'm out here real quick. Supposed to meet with my mentee today sometime at 6 or 7. I'm out here on my deck just reading, trying to cover these chapters before we meet up. And anything about my mentee, we meet twice a month. His name's Andrew. But anyways, that's what I'm doing out here. All right, so we're about to break a mirror. Check that out.
Yikes.
All right, no mirrors were broken. We are headed to Eric's house. It's his birthday today. It's me and my woman, and we dating.
Oh yeah.
These guys here are kind of like our best friends. We hang out a lot. We do life together. We like to hike and have same interests. We serve God together. So it's really good when we can get together. Limited, of course, but this is a good time. Happy birthday, Eric.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Eric. Happy birthday to you.
So it's Saturday morning. Carlos has a tournament. So you guys went what?
1-1. First game, shouldn't have lost the second game. Should have tied, and then the last game we tied also.
So I am on my way to pick up my dad. Hey dude. About time, bro. Es una cámara, bro. Hey.
Alright, Carter! Say hi. Hi. Oh, that was funny.
So that about wraps up the week. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us along for next week. See what we got going on. Thanks for watching, guys.